Begins with a microclimate weather alert.
Heavy rain, deafening thunder, powerful lightning. Right now, a summer storm is moving across the Bay Area. Good evening. I'm Janelle Wang in for Jessica Aguirre.
And I'm Raj Mathai. It's rare and it's dangerous, but it's quite a show. You've seen all this? Dozens of lightning strikes in the South Bay, the Peninsula, and the East Bay, and it's expected to continue through the night.
Well, I think over the next 3 to 5 hours, we'll definitely continue to see more of this lightning show continue throughout the Bay Area. What a lot of you saw as you looked up towards the sky and are still seeing right now is this cloud-to-cloud lightning. And you're going to be able to see a huge complex of thunderstorms right now moving from the south off to the north. At least 101 lightning strikes over the past hour alone. Now, the worst activity is down towards the South Bay, and that's right near Morgan Hill and also for Gilroy on the 101 corridor, where we're continuing to see those thunderstorms moving in. Right now, Gilroy is seeing some of the most activity, probably at least a dozen lightning strikes. You want to head inside. If you hear the thunder again, you're close enough to get struck by lightning. More activity is on the way. So when it comes to those storm reports so far, we had the most activity right across the South Bay, even a few trees down. Remember, again, if you can hear the thunder, you want to head inside because of that lightning. I'm tracking that storm in about 10 minutes.
Dry thunderstorms. Whoa, that one struck right above me. Whoa, that was a big one. It's crazy. drops. Whoa.